Hello guys, welcome to this week's analysis. So currently I've got Nzdusd with me right here. Right, so from last week's trade, right, I'd given you an entry using these last three up close candles as our bearish order block. And when we did analysis on Sunday, the market was here. Right, so I had mentioned that okay, since we're down here, we might see a further drop. Right, after we see a further drop, and then we go up. Whatever we leave in here, we can use that. Well, they can use that to trade higher and take out buy side liquidity in here, trade into our zone. Right, so for this one, I wasn't paying much attention to it. But as I can clearly see here, we would have gotten a very, very good entry, right, for the initial part of the trade, right, in here, right, going to target the area where we're supposed to enter. Right, so since we did establish last week that the market is still poised to go lower, we will maintain the same notion, right? And then let's get down to the 1 minute time frame, the H1 time frame. From the H1 time frame itself, right, I still am expecting them, right, to come all the way above. Right, in here we do have a candle that would represent a breaker block itself, right, something like that. Right, I'm also going to be watching how price behaves in this zone. So basically, if they trade up and then they come and then they give me my sell profile from the lower time frame, I can enter the moment we hit this candle's low. But basically, what's more favorable is for them to trade into into this candle right up here using the borders actually. So for them, I would be expecting trade higher into this zone and then give me my sell profile. If I get my sell profile, I'm activating my trade. Right, in terms of my take profit, I'm just going to be eyeing out those relatively equal lows, right, as an area where I'd like to take profit, and then hopefully that they continue going down and we continue trading our stops and paying ourselves. Right, so just give me a second to quickly update the chart, as I would need you guys to have a clear view of which areas I am using to get into my trade. Okay, right, so just like that, into this zone right here, and then we can trade lower, right, targeting the relatively lows at the bottom, right, right there, right, and then also keeping in mind the low of this candle right there as an area whereby they could start to find their reversal. So this is what I have for you guys on Nzdusd.